Hello scrappers. Today I got one of these old racks. It's actually if this is still in view there, I'll take a quick look. There it's standing in its upright position. I don't have not running a monitor, so I had to come look at the camera and see what's going on. But guy had several of these. I already tore a couple down. They're all bolted together with quarter 20 bolts, and a few of them, that's quarter 20, a few of them have some lag bolts. I was going to use the other camera, it's kind of windy out here, so I had to get the GoPro. But they're all bolted together. Sometimes they're twisting off on me, and I got 4 more of them down in the field. So guess we get started tearing these things apart. Grab it while I'm here. I got to screw them back on just a little bit to get it out of the socket. They go pretty quick. Twisted the end of that one off, and it's a little warm. Okay. Got those 2 down there ready. this right here. Monitor on the back of this camera goes dark. Some of these the guy had already tore down, so I got a pretty good pile here. And then hopefully the camera will pick it up. Over there I got the pile of short stuff I've been working on. But, yeah, there's some more there. Now I can see it. Can't really zoom in with this camera, so it's kind of stuck with what I got. And once I get to that point, got a different bit at the end, different size, so I'll run back and get one of them. Yeah, that one had a self-tapper in it. There we go. Yeah, like I said, they go pretty quick. I'm going to hold off on that one for a minute. That one is actually holding everything together. Yeah, we're talking thunderstorms today, but they changed their mind, I guess. Of course, they're still saying thunderstorms for tomorrow. Still a slight chance of rain. On my glasses again. Never did get that one, huh? So that's about all there is to that. A couple more pieces to pick up. It goes pretty quick. I got 3 down there the same size as this, and then I think I got one that's a little bit shorter. Not by a whole lot. I should really get out here early in the morning and do these while I got the shade before that sun comes over the hill. Pull the camera out of the tripod. I got a couple more solar panels coming in later today. Turn this mic around. Kind of trying to hurry, of course. They say they want me to do aerobics to get my heart rate up, get breathing hard. I got 2 more solar panels coming in today, and so later tonight, probably just before dark, I'll take that 3rd one, the top one, off and put the other 2 on because they'll match, and then I'll cut the excess unistrut off. And when I do that, I'll drill my holes in it, put my U-bolts on there. Of course, they'll just be, short pieces, and then I'll mount this, see if I can't mount this one to the short pieces, and I'll probably put it on the far end, but add it onto the side, put it out there, or I might put it over here. I don't know. I may put it over on this side because I'm not sure how the cabling will work out if I try to put it over there and then put the next 2 over here when they come in next month, 2 months from now. And then another little project I kind of got started on, kind of laid it out, is I got these there's 3 there, and I got 1 over here, like warehouse shelving racks, and I got a bunch of the metal down here. So of course none of them lock into the end pieces, so what I'm probably going to have to do, drill a hole. I got some 3/8 bolts, so I'll drill a hole through there and stick a washer on there. Drill 3/8 hole, stick the bolt washer in. Put one there, put one here, and then I'll put the other end on, get it bolted in, then I'll stand it up or flip it over and do the other end. My plan is to have it here because I want to run that shade cloth here. I want to come across up there, and then, but I want it to stick out over this way some, 2-3 feet maybe, to kind of help to shade this area. And then I can get out here and do some melting. But I'm about ready to move this table in the blue furnace, because I probably won't melt any in the melting pot for a little bit, although I got plenty here to melt. But I might just move it over into the shade so I can get going on some finished ingots and get another lot or two up on eBay. I priced them at $70 for about 36, 37 pounds. It's about $2 a pound. And they don't sell real fast, but they sell. And by the time I pay the eBay fees and shipping and everything, I get about almost $60. So I know I should probably jack it up another 10 bucks, but yeah, I don't want to go too high. I do want them to sell. So I haven't used these furnaces for quite a while, and really it's too hot. Today would be a good day because I got a good breeze blowing to keep me cooled off. Yeah, tomorrow might even be better. Might be getting a little bit of rain tomorrow, but we'll probably have a little better overcast. You know, we got some overcast today, but not the greatest. So I do need to get that plywood in. That's going to be probably my backboard for my power wall. To get it inside so it doesn't get rained on. Might get in there, measure that here in a little bit, and then set the sawhorses up and get that cut real quick, and then get it inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and of course you probably won't see this one until about Wednesday. Today's Monday, so slowly getting a little bit done around here, but I don't want to spend too much time in the heat, and I'm hardly getting any calls on my ad. I probably need to get up and get out there and do some street scrapping, or run some few ads on Facebook groups, but been kind of reluctant to do that, even because of gas prices. I don't want to have to run 10-20 miles after one appliance. So hey, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. These refrigerators back here, they work, so that's why they're back here. But share the video with your friends. If you're not a subscriber, hope I can earn your subscription. If you're not 100% sure, go ahead and take a look at my playlist, see the different things I do. Like I say, I do melt some aluminum and stuff. I got a waste oil burner right here, and got air that comes in the very back there, and then on this little line right there is where the waste oil goes in. And I use propane to get it lit. It burns a minute or two, and then I got the waste oil going. And yeah, I got to get in here and clean this out. Yeah, it looks like a lot of things probably melted down into it, so I'm gonna have to get her heated up before I can do much of anything. I'm thinking about getting some of that insulation wool, wrap it around the outside, and then put some chicken wire or hardware cloth around there to hold it on. So in a way, I need to just get a roof over this right here and go out and buy some lumber. I heard prices have come down. One of the additions I'm doing on the solar, you can see there, I got where I had the hose going, piece of garden hose going in on that one. I bought some fittings so I can run 2 wires up in each one. So I got that set for the next charge controller. Or I could pull those out and run that over, and then in the hole that's going in, I can put one in, which I'll have to do that eventually anyway. So I'm going to get off here, and you guys take care, and I want to wish you some happy scrapping. Even though prices are down, we keep doing what we do. Some of us do it for the money, some of us do it just for something to do, and it's fun, it's entertaining. So keeps the hands busy, the mind busy. So you guys take care, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.